Hello YouTube, Solo Bitcoiner here, and I just wanted to make this quick video here to show you how you can overclock your Bitaxe if you have this Bitaxe Gamma here. You won't get it looking like this. This is after a few upgrades that I have done for the heatsink, and the fan here is more quiet. And simply because we don't want the ASIC chip to overheat, and we want it to perform better than how it comes. So I did some upgrades with this copper heatsink here, also in the back. And basically what you have to do, you go into your dashboard. If you don't know how to do that, I can show it to you too. You can just leave a comment. I'd love to help you. And you can see my hash rate here. It's a little over the 1.1, how it comes with. This is 1.4, 1.5. And this is my best difficulty here. You got to 1.2 G. Okay, and how you can alter the settings here, you go to settings, but it will not show up like this. Okay, what you have to do, you have to go into the settings here, into the search bar, and just add question mark OC equal, and then you will get into the custom settings where you can alter these separately. Do it in small increments of 10, 15, see how your performance reacts to it, your Bitaxe. Okay, because if you overdo it, it might overheat and ruin your ASIC chip and ruin your miner. So you don't want to do that. Just do it little by little. And after you did any change, you just go to save, and then you restart the device. And now what I like to look at is the error percentage. I like to keep it under 3%. I found it's most optimal. Okay, so each time you change something, just make sure the error stays low. Okay, and the efficiency isn't over 20, 22, because it's just less efficient when it's higher. Okay, and the heat over here, you can see I like to keep it under 90, 95, 50 for the ASIC. Okay, so you can play around with that and see what works the best. And yeah, pretty simple. And if you want me to go over what you might need to update your Bitaxe, let me know in the comments. And thank you for watching. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.